Hi everyone, welcome to EDU 151 Creative Activities. As a reminder, you should have reviewed all the information in the Getting Started module. There's lots of important information, so please make sure you look at that. Also, just as a reminder, all of your assignments are due on Thursdays. You'll see that your first assignments are this Thursday, which is your introduction forum and your introduction quiz. Also, just as a reminder, you probably should have seen this in your syllabus addendum. There is no textbook for this class. Everything will be in the modules that you need to read or look at. Again, everything is due on Thursday nights. I will be opening up the next few weeks in the next few days. As you see, week 2 is already posted. You have several things that you need to submit or read and submit, and it's listed all through here. And again, I'll be opening up the other weeks in the next few days or the next week or so. As always, just let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good day. Thanks.